makeup boots, how you doing? Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Today I've got a little special edition for you. I am here with one of my favorite clients, Brianna. I've been calling her Brianna this whole time, but it's Brianna. So, anyways, it's been a while since my last video, or there may have been videos posted before this one. Who knows with my timing and editing? We'll see. But just here to bring you a little checkup from the neck up, a me version of that, with some Q&A in the background. So Brianna is going to be getting her makeup done too, so she's going to remain off camera for a minute, but then she's going to come in after I do her makeup, make her look flawless. But she's going to be asking me some questions. So if you like what you see, please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below. And I want to hear from you. I want to hear your questions. I want to hear what you want to see, what you want me to do. So this is Créaline water, micellaire water. It is hypoallergenic. Everybody knows what this is. I'm not even going to tell you. Anyways, I put it all over a cotton. And then to remove any excess makeup, dirt, oil from my skin from the night before. I did wash my face last night, but I always have residual lash glue on my lashes. You can be using all skin types. It's great for people who have sensitive skin also, because it doesn't irritate. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the SK2 facial treatment essence. This is some amazing bouginess. SK2 is made from sake.
Is it worth the money? Yes.
I'll list some of the benefits down below. Next, I'm going to go in with a little bit of serum. And I like the SkinCeuticals CE Ferulic. I love this stuff, but it smells like hot dogs. So I usually do about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 drops. Massage it together. But this helps with feeding your skin antioxidants, and it helps with skin discoloration and texture, and it also helps with phyto-sun damage as well.
Now, be honest, how important is skin prep?
You want your skin to be smooth and prepped before you put your makeup on so that it goes on really well. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of eye serum, and this right here is the Trish McAvoy. I love this because it smooths lines, it brightens darkness, reduces puffiness. So what I do is I take a drop times 2 on the ring finger and then tap it on the orbital bone, and you can use this on the eyelid as well, and then massage it into the skin.
Now, can this be used as a part of your nighttime routine?
Yes, you can use it at nighttime too. Okay. And the one important tip is when you're applying anything around the eyes, use your ring finger. It has the lightest touch. And gently tap. So, next from Trish McAvoy, I'm using the Retinol Eye Cream. Retinol Eye Cream, it's really important just as a makeup artist. You have to ask your clients if they're allergic to retinol, and you can't use this on people who are pregnant. So take a little bit, tap it on the ring finger, tap it in around the eye, and then just massage it in. It's got like a consistency of being like really smooth, but it feels like it's got a lot of silicone in it, so it's got like this blurring effect around the eye.
Any other benefits of using the retinol eye cream?
It really helps with fine lines and wrinkles. Alright, so that's that. And then I'm going to go in with my Caudalie Beauty Elixir, which I love. This is really great because it's got a little bit of oil in it, so you have to shake it before you use it. But you can put it on before your makeup, during your makeup, after your makeup, throughout the day to refresh your skin. And Caudalie actually means the amount of time it takes for the wine to get to a certain point that it's amazing to drink.
Really?
It's a French word, yeah. I learned that from my girl Depika because she went to the Caudalie headquarters in Bordeaux. So,
wow, okay.
Great tip. Loved your tips. So I just give myself a little spritz. A little, that was like 7. And it just feels so good. Alright. And then I'm going to go with my lip balm, my glossierbalm.com. I went to an event the other night and I got this in my gift bag. So we're going to put a little bit of this on. So any questions about this moisturizer?
I think the $1,000,000 question is,
why is it $1 million?
Does it cost? Yes.
It's about $250. So you don't need a lot. The one thing about the La Mer moisturizer that I love is once you put it in your hands and you warm it up and apply it to the skin, it kind of just melts in and you get great coverage. But that's one of the key things, is warming it up in between your hands and just massaging it.
Tell us why it is so costly.
The creator of La Mer, from what I understand, and anybody who is watching this, correct me if I'm wrong, was a burn victim. And he found that through different various treatments, that seaweed found in the deepest parts of the ocean was able to cure and heal him faster. So the reason why the La Mer is so expensive is because deep sea divers have to go down to get the seaweed in order to create what is known as the miracle broth. So that's why it's so expensive, because of the way it's sourced. So this is my skin prep. I have cleansed, toned, serums, treatments, balmed, moisturized my skin. Alright, so one thing that I didn't show you, because I do this process in the shower, is my cleanser. So I use about 4 different cleansers. My number one all-time favorite is Shu Uemura cleansing oil. This is their brightening formulation. I've been using Shu Uemura cleansing oil for about 19 years, as long as I've been a makeup artist. I used to work for Shu Uemura at a boutique in West Hollywood that's no longer here. I also use Trish McAvoy glycolic wash. This was a really good product for me in the beginning when I had a lot of skin issues. And then I also recently received this Tata Harper regenerating cleanser. This is phenomenal as well because it exfoliates. And then I also love the Glossier Milk Jelly, which is an amazing cleanser as well. It feels very jelly. And then part of my exfoliation routine is my Trish McAvoy daily exfoliator pads. I'm almost out of these, but these really help to improve your skin's radiance and the texture and the clarity of your skin. And they're great for all skin types. And then at night, my moisturizer is this Murad. I use this. It's really great. It's hydrodynamic. It's ultimate moisture, and I feel like my skin feels amazing. And then I also, for daytime, if I'm not using my new La Mer, I use the Trish McAvoy SPF 30 Beauty Booster Cream because I need an SPF. So my beauty regime is simple but effective. I don't use all of these products all the time. I use them based on, did I wear makeup that day? How much makeup did I wear? How's my skin reacting? So it's all kind of like a skincare wardrobe. One thing I have to add is a lot of people ask me about my skin. Like once I put on makeup, my skin does look
flawless.
Pretty flawless. And I know it has to do with being an artist, but it also starts with a great foundation of skincare routine. I'm a lot older than I look. However, good black don't crack, but when you take care of it, it stays extra smooth. So that is my skincare routine. Any questions you have on anything else?
No, I don't have any other questions.
Alright, well, let me ask you this. What's the most amazing thing you think you learned today about skincare?
So I think people are a little hesitant to spend the time and the energy and even the money that it takes to create a routine like this. But I've learned the benefit in doing so because you've got a flawless foundation. Yeah, that is what I learned.
Excellent. Okay, 2 things I didn't include in my skincare routine are facials. I do get hydrofacials and I get microdermabrasion, and that's really helped clear up this texture that I had in my skin and this discoloration, as well as my eyebrows have finally grown back. Not that that has anything to do with the facial, but my first video was a little crazy. So with that being said, I hope you learned something. If you did, please tell me what you did learn. Tell me anything that you would have done differently. Make sure you subscribe and like and put your comments down below, and I will see you on the next one. Bye boo!